Pineapple upside down cake is one of my daughter's favorite cakes. I like it because it's very simple and it's very easy to make. And in this video, I would like to share our recipe with you, so maybe you too can give it a try. So here it is. Separate egg yolks from egg whites of 8 eggs and set that aside. In about 12-inch wide dish, set 1½ stick of butter and 1 cup of brown sugar. Bring the medium fire on and let the butter and sugar melt together. Once done, set it aside. The key to this recipe is a fresh, ripe pineapple, and I love to use thick slices. When peeling pineapple, I try to do it as thin as possible, and then I would go back with a knife like this and take the black spots. And while you're doing this, don't forget to take the middle part. Use a cutting board, and don't do it like I'm doing it here. I don't want you to get cut. Now let's make our cake mix. So we're gonna whip 8 egg whites and 8 tablespoons of sugar. Once they're really well whipped, we're gonna add 8 egg yolks. Next, we are adding flour, and I have a 1/4 cup or 8 tablespoons of flour here, which we will gently fold in. All that's left, it's a 1/4 cup of milk and a 1/4 cup of oil. Fold it all gently in and pour it over your pineapple, butter, and sugar mixture. And since we were in a baking mood, we moved on right away on baking a special berry cake. Can't go wrong with homemade creams and fresh berries. My daughter and I started making this cake just for fun, and before you know it, this turned into this amazing cake, and both of us regret that we didn't take notes and recipe along the way. But that's not it. Tomorrow is a big holiday for our family, so we're gonna have a bunch of people joining us for a meal, so we are continuing with the cooking. This is a stuffed cabbage, and outside we have a couple of piglets roasting for tomorrow's dinner. Let's get back to our pineapple upside down cake, and here it is. And you will know that it's done once the middle part of the cake becomes firm. Refreshing and great for any season. This dessert can be served with a scoop of ice cream or with the homemade whipped cream. Thank you for watching, and if you like this recipe, please consider subscribing to our channel.